Welcome to Smart with Points, the podcast where we dive into the world of travelling with miles and points. I'm your host, Jack, and I'm excited to share with you today the ultimate UK guide to earning air miles. If you're looking to travel more for less, earning air miles is one of the smartest strategies available to UK residents. While it might seem reserved for frequent business travellers, the reality is that anyone can build a substantial miles balance without ever stepping on a plane. So, let's get started with the most effective methods I've personally used to accumulate miles that have funded business class flights around the world. First up, we have credit cards. Without question, credit cards represent the single most powerful tool for earning air miles in the UK. They offer a consistent return on your everyday spending with minimal effort. If you're focused on collecting avios, the British Airways American Express cards should be your first consideration. The British Airways American Express card has no annual fee and earns one avios per pound spent, with a welcome bonus of 5,000 avios after spending £1,000 in the first 3 months. The British Airways American Express Premium Plus card, on the other hand, earns 1.5 avios per pound spent, with a current welcome bonus of 60,000 avios, although this is only available until the 28th of February 2025. The annual fee for this card is £300, but it also comes with a 2-for-1 voucher for BA flights after spending £15,000 in a year. If you prefer flexibility across multiple airline programs, the American Express membership rewards cards are a great option. The American Express Gold Business Card earns 1 point per pound spent, which can be transferred to various airline programs, and has a welcome bonus of 45,000 points after spending £3,000. The first year is free, and then it's £195 annually. In addition to credit cards, shopping portals are another great way to earn air miles. The British Airways shopping portal, also known as the Avios e-store, allows you to earn additional avios when shopping at over 1,200 retailers. This is essentially double dipping on purchases you'd make anyway. Notable rates include 4 avios per pound at John Lewis, 2 avios per pound at Apple, and 2 avios per pound at Argos. Of course, flying is still a great way to earn air miles, especially if you choose the right airline and book the right fare class. British Airways and One World Partners offer the most straightforward earning path for UK residents, and even bronze status increases your earning rate by 25%. Beyond credit cards, shopping portals, and flying, there are other ways to earn air miles, such as hotel stays and loyalty point conversions. Direct bookings with airline partners can earn miles instead of hotel points, and points transfers can convert hotel loyalty points to airlines, although typically at suboptimal rates. So, how can you put all of this together to earn air miles? My personal approach is to start with the right credit cards, choose 1 or 2 cards aligned with your preferred airline program, and set up automatic payments to always pay in full and avoid interest charges. I also use shopping portals consistently and track promotions to capitalize on bonus opportunities. Let's look at a couple of example scenarios. Scenario 1 is the casual miles collector, who uses the BA Amex card for daily spending and earns 12,000 avios per year, plus 6,000 avios from shopping portal use. This is enough for a return economy flight to Europe. Scenario 2 is the dedicated miles enthusiast, who uses the BA Amex Premium Plus card and earns 30,000 avios per year, plus a companion voucher, and also earns 30,000 avios from business spending on the Capital on Tap card. The beauty of miles collecting is its scalability. You can adjust your approach based on your lifestyle and spending patterns. While earning air miles requires some initial setup and awareness, it quickly becomes second nature and can dramatically reduce your travel costs. The key is consistency, making small adjustments to how you already spend rather than changing your lifestyle. Thanks for listening to this episode of Smart with Points. If you want to stay up to date with the latest news and tips on travelling with miles and points, be sure to subscribe to our podcast on all major platforms or visit our website at smartwithpoints.co.uk. Don't forget to follow us on social media and share your own experiences with earning air miles. Until next time, happy travels.